Hi, I'm Liav from Option Samurai, and today I want to walk you through our implied volatility analysis page. The hard part with options is knowing whether they're cheap or expensive, and that often comes down to implied volatility, or IV. Simply put, you will generally observe that high implied volatility corresponds to richer option premiums and vice versa. So this is the page I opened to read it fast. You'll find it by clicking the research button at the top, and then go to Implied Volatility Analysis on the left side menu. First up, you have the IV rank at the top. It's a percentile from 0 to 100 for how high today's IV sits versus the past year. Right now, you are looking at Apple, and you can see the IV rank is 94%, which is very high. And IV mean reverts, so after a reading this stretched, you'd usually expect it to cool back down. Right next to it, you have the IV minus HV measurement. This is the implied volatility minus the stock's own historical volatility. Negative here means the market's pricing in less volatility than the stock recently delivered. Now, the main thing I want to show you is the first chart. Notice that here you can go beyond the 1-year time frame by extending your analysis to 3 years. I read 3 things here: where IV sits versus its own past, the short-term trend, and whether it's running above or below HV. Those dashed lines are earnings dates, so you can watch the IV spikes line up with the events driving them. And you can retune the whole thing with a time frame up top. Or you can even click the gear to change the IV delta and the time window. Just below, we also added the IV minus HV difference over time. Anything above the 0 line means IV is running hotter than HV. Over on the right, you have the skew, measured at 30 days to expiration. Put skew and call skew hint at a bearish or bullish lean in the chain. Here they're balanced, so it reads neutral. Do you want to see the split? Well, we also give you the call IV rank and put IV rank. These numbers run that same percentile, but for the calls and the puts on their own. The IV minus HV percentile window will show you where the difference between the two volatilities sits compared to the past year. For instance, in this case, the difference is sitting at the 10th percentile, which is pretty low. Quick heads up though, IV is often high for a reason, like earnings, so read these next to what's actually going on with the stock. Alright, that's the page. Feel free to sign up and try it on a 2-week free trial.